everybody, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty, LLC, and today we're discussing appraisals, but from the seller's perspective. So we've gotten through inspections, we've gotten through all of the high anxiety, and the last culmination is the appraisal. And I know that you're worried, and I swear it's going to be okay. Usually it only comes in low, maybe 3% of the time, so not very often. But of course, you're wondering what happens if it does come in low. So if the appraisal comes in low, we get to either renegotiate the price with the buyer, or the buyer gets to terminate the contract and get out and get their earnest money back. Now, there are some tricks to this that we can use. We can go back and we can fight the appraiser, which sometimes actually gets us some money, or we can actually reduce the buyer's closing costs. And so if you agreed to pay some of the buyer's closing costs, we can reduce that to zero and thereby make up the difference in price. So there are a few tricks up our sleeve if things don't work out. And of course, you're probably wondering what happens if the appraisal comes in high. They don't usually notify us of that, and unfortunately, it's just a boon for the buyers. The process goes that I'm going to meet with the appraiser, I'm going to give them comparable properties, and then they go back to their office and produce a report. That report goes back to the lender. The lender does quality control on it and then turns it around and sends it out to underwriting to review. So this whole process from the appointment to when the report is actually available and produced is probably going to be 3 to 5 business days. It's perfectly normal to be worried, but like I said, it's not very often that it's going to be a problem, so we'll address it if it does come up. The last problem that can come up is that the appraiser might require some work to be done on the property. That could be some roof maintenance, or a handrail for the staircase, or any myriad of stuff like that. If anything like that comes up, I'll quickly get a contractor to come out, give us a bid, and then that can be paid out of closing, so there's no money up front or cost to you up front. We'll get through this together. We'll talk soon. Take care. If you like this video, click the like button below, and of course subscribe to our channel so you get all the new weekly content. If you have a comment or question, comment below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a great week. Thanks for tuning in.